Hi, my name's Andrew and I'd like to show you an idea I've had that I think could help with the shortfall key workers are having with their PPE. It's a face shield made from the strapping tape used to seal parcels before they're shipped. It's lightweight and comfortable and very cheap and easy to make. It consists of strapping to make the frame, a sheet of clear acetate as the visor, it's held together with staples and is adjusted with a strip of Velcro. If you don't need the adjustment, then you don't need the Velcro at all. Using the standard dimensions, it will fit head sizes from 53 to 67 centimetres, which covers more or less everyone, but it can be easily modified to fit smaller or larger heads if required. The dimensions of the face shield have been chosen such that they produce a tight clearance around the edges. This is to reduce the risk of aerosol ingress. The single strap at the back of the head holds it firmly in place no matter how you move around. In the description below the video is a link to instructions which show you how to make the face shield. There is also a link to a second video which shows you step by step how to measure, cut and build the face shield. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe.